Diwali, it's all about moving from darkness to light. And unfortunately, bursting crackers moves us back to darkness. Firecrackers cause air pollution and create smog. 21 cities out of world's 30 most polluted cities are in India, causing one child to die every 3 minutes due to air pollution related disease. And air pollution further escalates the COVID-19 problem. Firecrackers also cause sound pollution, which not only affects humans but also animals. Firecrackers also leave behind a huge amount of harmful waste. So why burst firecrackers? Instead, we can spend time with our family, light diyas and make creative rangolis. Play indoor games with your family, video call your relatives and play Antakshari or Damshrats. This year, let us all take a pledge to celebrate the true essence of Diwali. Think of innovative ways to responsibly celebrate the festival of light. Let us all take the journey from darkness to light, from smoke to smoke-free Diwali. Join our Smoke-Free Diwali virtual creative contest and upload your innovative style of celebrating this Diwali and stand a chance to win exciting prizes.
Hello everyone, I'm Vinay Jaju from Switch On Foundation. Very excited to coming up with the second edition of the Smoke-Free Diwali competition. It's a virtual art exhibition where we encourage children, youth to come up with paintings, songs, videos, encouraging everyone to say no to firecrackers and also to share how they're planning to celebrate Diwali in a fun, sustainable way. Diwali is about lights, family, friends. It's not about firecrackers. We all know that firecrackers create a lot of harm because of air pollution to people, animals, and we had a lot of fun last year. Great entries came out in the last year's competition from young people, and very excited about this year. Everyone is requested to come up with their creative artwork in any form. Upload it. The parents can upload it on social media or on a Google Drive. And with that link, register. There are exciting awards to be won. There is everyone gets an e-certificate of course once they register, and I'm very very thankful to all our partners who are coming to support this and spread the word, like Alliance Frosse, Earth Day Network, Rainforest Alliance, Bhumika, Weist, and all our schools and colleges, of the teachers, principals who are backing this. We're taking this competition from Bengal to Jharkhand, Odisha, and leading schools, colleges are coming forward to participate. So really looking forward to the entries. Keep it coming. Thank you so much.